Hi friends, hope you are doing fine. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the AFM strategy preparation for your May 26 exams. I think we are around 90 plus days from the exam, approximately 95 days, but effectively maybe 90 days are there for your May exams, and we would want to make full utilization of this time so that we give our best in exams and clear it in the coming attempt. Now, first thing you need to decide is, are you going to go with one group or two groups? I'll come to AFM strategy, but before that, general information I want to talk, and then I come to AFM strategy. See, we have around 90 days, effectively 10 hours a day, so 900 hours. This is the amount of time available to us. Total time available is 90 days into 10 hours, 900 hours, including everything. When I say including everything, you are going to do your mock exam writing in this, you're going to do revision in this. Approximately 900 hours of time is available. If you're doing only one group, then three subjects. If you do two groups, effectively five subjects. IBS may need little bit of time, of because IBS is also becoming tougher in exam. But I can say approximately you have around 180 hours per subject, 2 to 300 hours. Some subjects you can give more time, some subjects you can give lesser amount of time. In that, AFM, my golden rule is one time preparation with classes or self study, and then comes a revision, one revision, a second revision if possible, and a third revision if possible. That is the amount of time we have to spend. One revision, another revision, another revision. The first revision which I'm talking about will take around 125 hours, is because I made it very exhaustive kind of preparation, and I will talk about each of the areas what you need to do. But around 125 to 130 hours I have kept for first AFM revision. This time can go down if you have already done good preparation in AFM, and can become 1.5 times of this time if you are learning AFM for the first time. So whatever time I'm giving for every chapter, you can multiply with 1.5 or multiply with zero point 0.8 or zero point 0.7, depending on how good you are at AFM. But this much time in this order you should do. Our order is block 1, block 2, block 3, and block 4. These four blocks indicate that we have to prepare in this order of prioritization. Nowhere I'm telling that you have to ignore any chapter. Block 1, the important block to secure good marks in exam, relatively a simpler block. This is relatively a simpler block. Security evaluation, around 17 marks, 20 hours of preparation. You should do full study mat question, full priority material question if it's your first revision. But if you are just learning it for the first time, then maybe my entire question bank or whichever author you have followed. Full SM questions, full priority material question. If you have to do around 20 hours, and you should be done with security evaluation. First block, I would want full of both. That is your study material fully as well as the priority material. Along with that, last three attempts MTP, RTP, and PYP. MTP, RTP, and previous year paper. This is for the first revision. I'm again talking about only the first revision, because in the second revision, then you can make it half of those questions, and third revision, even half of those questions. So, first revision, full, and three attempts. Security valuation start, business valuation, mergers and acquisition, mutual funds, put together around 45 marks in exam, and maybe in 40 hours you complete this. Some up and down can be on the time frame, but broadly this is what you should do. Then comes the deadly combination. When I say deadly, because an area which is normally felt a little difficult for students, forex and derivatives normally felt difficult. Portfolio is not that difficult one, but it's a deadly combination, but an important one from exam point of view. Around again 35 to 40 marks. First block is 45 marks. Second block is around 35 marks. Very very important from an exam point of view. Many people think that this is a category C, category B, category L. All that you don't keep in mind. Try to prepare all chapters. This I would want you to do full priority material. Priority material. Study material questions. Time permits, do it. Time does not permit. That depends again. I'm repeating, time does not, because in our priority material we have given reference of the study material question. It's not that you have to do lot of preparation. Priority material some 250 questions, and I've given reference of study material question which is not there in my priority material, another 80 questions. It will be 80 to 90 question. This if possible do fully, and just focus on last two attempts. MTP, RTP and PYP. Last two attempts alone focus on MTP, RTP and PYP. First one 3 attempts, second one last two attempts. I have also released a MTP PYP compiler, that is also released in my Telegram group. MTP PYP compiler, you can use that also. And don't do everything, just focus on last 3 attempts, or look at my redrafted material, or look at ICI material. Don't do more, because doing more will take time. You can do anything, but last 3 attempts focus for block 1. Last 2 attempts, even if you find any question in the attempt before that, ignore it, because time is not available. Time is very very essential. So do last 2 attempts. Theory, I can keep talking about the importance of theory, because everyone is aware how critical theory is from an exam point of view. Some papers, when it is very very tough, theory becomes our best friend. Theory will take care of our exam marks. So ignoring theory is another big mistake which students can make. So we are not going to ignore theory. Theory is something 100% we have to prepare. Special attention, chapter 15, chapter 7, chapter 1, 2 and 4. 15, 7, 1, 2 and 4 in the same order. 15, 7, 1, 2 and 4. Just do that. That takes care of 10 to 15 hours. Other chapters, time permits, do it. See, first revision to 100% has to be done. Second and third revision you can kind of relax it, but try to do theory in this order: 15, 7, 1 to 4. So once this is done, you come to the last block where only priority material is sufficient. Only priority material is sufficient. Don't do anything beyond that. Even if you don't do the study material questions, I am kind of okay. Priority material with the concept book. Last block, do only priority material. That itself will give you the confidence to face the exam. No need to look at the previous attempt MTP, or if okay here one attempt is your own attempt, MTP, PYP and RTP. Because if you have seen my video, the Jan 26 exam, 32 marks came from your own MTP and RTP. May 26 it may not come, but that's okay. So these 5 chapters, see one attempt. With this, my first preparation is over. Second preparation or second revision when we are doing, my ideal approach is 5 days per subject, which is approximately 40 to 50 hours you can spend. 40 to 50 hours you can spend on AFM for another revision. After everything is done, around 125 hours we have spent. Another 40 to 50 hours you spend, do a second revision, which takes away, put together around 170 hours. And third revision is 2 days and 1 mock test. 2 days preparation, 1.5 days. In fact, 1.5 days preparation and 1 mock test. 1.5 days preparation, 1 mock test. Ideally, write your ICI mock test or any other outside mock test wherever you want to do. What you will do for mock test, very simple. If your exams are in May, uh, leaves 5 days before your exam for FR preparation, and before that keep ICI mindset 12 days to 2 days per subject, 1.5 days prepare, write the test, or keep the ICI mock test schedule, whatever ICI gives the schedule, in that schedule try to write it. That way you will be done with 3 times of preparation. Don't try writing more mock exam. If time permits, everything, see, what is very essential is time. If time permits, write multiple mock exam, write ICI 2 mock exam also. But time does not permit, don't try to push yourself. So this is broad plan. I've said 90 days into 10 hours. If you are serious enough in your preparation, it can become 90 into 12 also, which can increase your available time, and that time you can give for every subject. Today, prepare a plan. How are you going to prepare every subject? Revision. We have almost reached the revision phase. How are you going to prepare every subject? So 90 days into 12 hours it can be, 90 days into 10 hours it can be, including mock. Everything I've included in this. First revision of AFM 130 hours, second revision 40 to 50 hours, third revision 15 to 20 hours, because 2 days all put together, maybe I'm looking at 200 hours for my subject. Can go up if you have not learned AFM till now, can go down if you are very strong in AFM. If you are very strong in AFM, goes down. Weak in AFM, goes up. It can go up, it can go down, depending on your own comfort levels. Depending on your own comfort levels. This is my broad plan. My request, sincere request to you is prepare a study plan for your exams and follow that properly. And one more thing I want to say, don't worry about how tough the paper is going to be or how easy the paper is going to be. Not in our hands. Many students think whether the paper is going to be tough this side or easy this time. Not in our hand. Don't worry. Last time most of the people got it wrong. Most of the people got it wrong. January exam, nobody thought it will be tough. Now suddenly videos will float where they'll say it will be a tough paper, easy paper. Why to break your head? You break your head on preparation. Prepare well, write your exams well. Thank you, friends.